The absence of labor hinders the success of any endeavor. This line from Sophocles still holds significance today as we approach the 122nd Labor Day commemoration. Each day, countless employees make valuable contributions to the advancement of our society. They are the fundamental support of our society, the vital force of our economy, the underappreciated champion who frequently go unrecognized. Labor Day has a significant historical background that originates from the labor movement in the 19th century. It was a period characterized by challenges, transformation, and eventually triumph for labor rights. Today, we pay tribute to those individuals who valiantly battled for an improvement tomorrow, advocating for equitable remuneration, rational work schedule, and enhanced workplace safety measures. Currently, our work exhibits a greater range of diversity than at any previous point in time. Every worker, from the construction worker responsible for a building, the foundation of our cities, to the teacher who molds the minds of our children, to the healthcare workers who rescue lives, perform an essential and indispensable function in our society. However, they encounter obstacles such as pay concern, work-life balance, and job stability. These individuals possess genuine experiences and narratives. What is the reason behind the celebration of Labor Day? It compasses more than just a vacation. Today is dedicated to recognizing and valuing the diligent effort and significant contribution of workers. Today serves as a reminder that each occupation holds significance and every individual contributing to the workforce is of value. As we commemorate the 122nd Labor Day, let us not merely indulge in the festivities. Let us pause briefly to express our gratitude for the laborers in our local community. Let us champion their rights, endorse local enterprises, and convey our appreciation. For without the exertion of effort, no success is achieved, and it is imperative that we recall that.